fix account not found on TikTok. So if you want to fix account not found on your TikTok, then what you need to do is there are a few simple steps. First thing you need to check is whether your TikTok app is updated. To do this, you need to go with your App Store or your Play Store, go with your search, and under search, you need to search about TikTok. Once you've searched, if you have any updates on your TikTok, you will have an update option. You need to just go and update it. After updating, your problem may be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is just simply go back, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your TikTok application. Search for TikTok and then open your TikTok application. Once you open on the bottom right of your screen, you will have the profile icon. Tap on your profile. On your profile page, go with the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner and tap on settings and privacy. You need to go all the way down and you will find an option of chat with us. Or you will have report a problem, tap on it, scroll down and go with chat with us. And here you need to submit a problem and they will reply with a message which looks like this, and then you need to tap on submit a ticket and you'll be able to submit your ticket. You need to describe your issue and then enter the screenshots if you have any screenshots and then screen recordings. After that, go with submit. That's how you can fix your account not found on your TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.